Not every AI video tool is built the same. Some focus on generating clips from a prompt, while others aim to become a complete creative workspace. In this video, we're reviewing Tapnow AI, a platform that combines AI image generation, video creation, editing, and workflow automation in a single visual canvas. Let's see whether it's worth using in 2026. Instead of relying on a simple text box, Tapnow lets you build projects inside an infinite canvas where different AI tools work together. You can generate images, create videos, edit existing content, storyboard ideas, and even produce marketing visuals without constantly switching between different applications. The platform also supports multiple AI models, giving creators more flexibility depending on the style or quality they're looking for. One feature that really stands out is the workflow itself. Rather than creating one image or one video at a time, Tapnow allows you to connect different creative steps into a single project. This makes it useful for filmmakers, designers, advertisers, and content creators who want to organize an entire production pipeline in one place instead of jumping between multiple AI services. Now let's talk about pricing. Tapnow offers several subscription plans based on monthly credits called Tappies. The basic plan costs $15 per month, or about $12.75 per month when billed annually, and includes 1,500 Tappies. The Pro plan starts at $60 per month, or $45 per month with annual billing, increasing your monthly credits and unlocking unlimited concurrent tasks. For larger projects, the Ultimate plan costs $360 per month, or $216 per month annually, while the Max plan reaches $720 per month, or $432 per month with annual billing, offering the highest credit limits for studios and production teams. One nice advantage is that unused Tappies never expire. Of course, there are some drawbacks. Since almost every action consumes credits, heavy users can burn through them quickly, especially when working with advanced video models. The interface is also more complex than traditional AI generators, so beginners may need some time to learn how the Canvas workflow operates. Overall, Tapnow AI isn't just another AI video generator, it's a complete creative workspace. If you regularly create videos, storyboards, advertising content, or visual campaigns, the platform offers a lot of flexibility. But if you're simply looking for a quick one-click video generator, you may find its workflow more advanced than necessary.